Now, yesterday saw the announcement of the return of steelmaking to Teesside by the Chinese-owned British Steel. However, one business in the area claims that it never went away. The South Bank-based Materials Processing Institute makes steel in an electric arc furnace. British Steel is planning to build a bigger one on the site of the former Redcar Works. Our business correspondent Ian Reeve reports.
Here at this Teesside steel research business, they like to say steelmaking never left the area. What they have here is a small electric arc furnace making small amounts of steel. As with the new furnace planned nearby by British Steel at its Lackenby beam mill, it melts scrap steel, repurposes it and crucially uses less coal in the process than a normal blast furnace.
The proposal from British Steel to put a new electric arc furnace in Teesside and one in Scunthorpe, I think it makes a lot of sense, but I would say that because I actually first brought this idea to the British Steel management more than 10 years ago, and it's a subject, something that's been under discussion for a really long time. It makes sense economically because it makes our beam mill in Teesside more productive and more economic, but also it helps the industry to go green. So we have our own small-scale electric arc furnace here at the Institute, and we mostly use it for research purposes, for developing new types of steels, but we also use it to make steel commercially as well. So over the last 8 years, when there hasn't been a big steel plant in Teesside, we've kept the flame of steel making alive here at the Institute, but we're very excited about the fact that our little electric arc furnace is going to get a big brother right next door very soon.
In the labs here, Tony analyses steel samples. He's worked in the steel industry for 35 years, a stint that took in Scunthorpe, where a blast furnace will close, and Redcar Steelworks closed in 2015. And like most of Teesside, he welcomes the return of large-scale steel making to the patch.
It's a fabulous opportunity for the young people in the area. They've got to learn and love the industry and enjoy it as much as I have over the years. And it's great that it's coming back, to be honest.
And those jobs could come quickly. It's thought that British Steel will apply for planning permission for its new electric arc furnace in about 10 days' time. Ian Reeve, BBC Look North, Teesside.